An air conditioner can stop working suddenly due to refrigerant leaks, compressor failure, or electrical component breakdown. Frozen evaporator coils from restricted airflow or low refrigerant can also cause the system to shut down. Blower motor problems may prevent cool air from circulating, even if the unit is running. Before calling a technician, check your thermostat settings and replace the batteries if needed. Inspect your breaker panel and make sure the outdoor disconnect switch is turned on. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow and trigger a shutdown, so replace it if it's clogged.